Your 3D printer can't keep up with your imagination anymore? Then it's time to meet with ChromaSet. Introducing ChromaSet, the complete bundle specially designed to enhance your 3D printing experience. It brings color, speed, and ease of control to your printer. ChromaPad, the heart of ChromaSet. It's the world's first multi-filament-enabled 3D printing pad. It brings a universe of possibilities to your fingertips. Seamlessly connect up to 8 3D printers. Control them all remotely. Improve your workflow efficiency. Compatible with all 3D printers. Its extended slots provide seamless integration. Real-time monitoring with a USB camera. Behind the centralized control functionality, there is a robust integrated processor. Its advanced processor also brings speed. Get the product in your hand 3 times faster. Offers an elegantly intuitive interface tailored for the art of multicolor printing. Setup Wizard ensures hassle-free experience. Already rocking Clipper software on your printer? Meet the Clipper Chroma module. It's fast and limitless. Chroma Head is not just a tool head, it's a game changer. It's specially designed for multi-filament printing. It's a real companion which delivers precision and compatibility. Thanks to its unique rail plug system design, it's fully compatible with various mechanical systems. Chroma Head manages effortlessly a variety of printing materials. The embedded Chroma hot end can heat up to 350 degrees Celsius. Its high temperature capacity allows you to utilize a wide range of filaments. Different colors, different materials. Thanks to Chroma Head's cutting mechanism, precision in every filament transition. Say goodbye to frustrating calibration efforts. CX1 Extruder, where speed and precision collide. Titanium gears, a dual drive system, and high torque. These features ensure powerful grip and thrust for smooth filament movement. With extended Chrome module, add up to 5 ECMs to your Chrome pad and expand up to 20 vibrant colors or diverse materials. We understand the challenges that come with 3D printing because we're enthusiasts, just like you. We've always been attuned to our community's voice. 2 years ago, our multi-filament module debuted on Kickstarter, innovating 3D printing color. We've since tackled other challenges to elevate your experience. Guided by 3 principles: modularity, compatibility, and upgradability. We're excited for ChromaSet, the culmination of our dedication. Let's take another leap forward together and embrace the next big thing. ChromaSet, the future of 3D printing.